In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up vendors in QuickBooks Desktop. If you need to keep track of the companies or individuals you buy products or services from, adding them as vendors is an important first step. Setting up vendors correctly helps you stay organized, makes bill tracking easier, and keeps your records accurate for future payments and reporting. The good news is that in QuickBooks Desktop, this process is very quick and straightforward. To begin, go to the top menu and click Vendor. This menu is where you'll find the main tools related to the people and businesses you pay. If you're new to QuickBooks Desktop, just take your time and look across the top navigation bar until you see it. From the Vendor menu, select Vendor File Center. The Vendor File Center is the main area where you can view, manage, and update all of your vendor information in one place. Once you open it, you'll be able to see your existing vendor list, along with options for creating new entries and reviewing activity connected to each vendor. Next, click New Vendor in the top left corner. This will open the form where you can create a new vendor profile. This step is where you tell QuickBooks who the vendor is, so it's a good idea to enter the information forcefully to avoid duplicate records or small mistakes that can cause confusion later. Now enter the details for the vendor and then click Save. Depending on what information you have available, this may include the vendor's business name, contact information, address, and any other relevant details you want to keep on file. Try to enter the information consistently, especially if you'll be managing multiple vendors, because clean records make your bookkeeping much easier over time. Once you click Save, the vendor is added to your QuickBooks Desktop system, and that's it. You've successfully created a vendor record and can now use it when entering bills, tracking purchases, or recording payments. This is a simple setup, but it plays a big role in keeping your accounting organized. If you plan to work with several suppliers or service providers, taking a few moments to set each one up properly can save time later and help reduce errors in your books. And that's all it takes to set up vendors in QuickBooks Desktop.